In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set fiscal year in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, what it controls, and how to choose the correct first month so your reports line up with your business's reporting period. Start by opening your web browser and heading to QuickBooks Online. Sign into the company file you want to update. Setting the fiscal year is a company-level preference, so make sure you're in the correct company and that you have the right permissions to change settings, ideally as an admin. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for the settings gear icon. Click that to open the menu. This is your control center for company preferences and where QuickBooks keeps options that affect how your books behave behind the scenes. From that menu, choose Account and Settings. This page is organized into tabs down the left side and groups related settings together, so you can quickly find what you need without hunting through multiple screens. On the left, select Advanced, then scroll to or locate the accounting section within that tab. This is where QuickBooks stores core accounting preferences that impact your reporting, such as your fiscal year setup. Changing it here will affect how QuickBooks labels and summarizes your profit and loss, balance sheet, and other fiscal year-based reports. Click Edit in the accounting section. You'll see an option to set the first month of your fiscal year. QuickBooks uses this month to determine the start and end of each fiscal year for your company. For example, if your fiscal year starts in July, choose July here, and QuickBooks will treat July through June as a fiscal year. If your fiscal year matches the calendar year, select January. Pick the month that aligns with how you track performance and file financial statements. If you're unsure, check with your accountant or consult your governing rules or industry norms. Selecting the correct month helps ensure year-to-date totals, comparisons, and closing periods make sense on your reports. After you've chosen the first month, review your selection to confirm it matches your intended fiscal period. This change applies going forward on your reports, and it brings your report filters and labels in line with your fiscal calendar. You can return to this same place later if your organization's fiscal year changes, but it's best to set it correctly from the start to keep reporting consistent. That's all there is to it. Go to QuickBooks, open Settings, head into Account and Settings, choose Advanced, click Edit in Accounting, and set the first month of your fiscal year. Once done, your reporting will reflect the fiscal calendar your team expects.